Looking pretty damn sexy. Hello and welcome to a new episode of the Supercar Diaries. How do you guys like that? A white SF90 from Novitec. We've had the yellow, we've had black, we've had red, now we've got white. What have we done to this car? Quite a full package, to be honest. Front lip, all in carbon fiber. These side fins over here, these ones extending all to the rack. Then the entire fender, this whole piece here is all in carbon fiber. This part is visible. Pretty cool because that helps the hot air that builds up there to escape through. We've seen that on all the other films. Of course, the lovely NF10s fitting snug in the wheel compartment, especially because of the suspension that we've fitted to this car. So it rides a lot lower. And it looks so good. It's just very, very befitting. The front of the wheel arch also got this carbon bit over there. Now, these are center lock look NF10s, which means you only have this big center bolt, of course, with the red brake calipers. I wouldn't find any other color that would be more befitting than the red. Works so well with the yellow. On the last video with the 812 GTS in Johannesburg, somebody said, whatever you do, don't touch the badge. On this one, the badge is untouched. Looks pretty cool, have to admit. Whoever said that? Thumbs up. Now the bonnet also gets a fair share of carbon fiber. This little rim over here, that air flowing right over the hood. Now this bit over here, this carbon fiber at the top of the hood is one of my favorite parts because of the value optically that I feel that it gives to a Ferrari, to an SF90 or to any of the other ones. We also have this for the F8 models, for the 812 for example. It's almost like you extend the front windscreen, compacts the nose of the car ever so slightly. This one with a blackened out roof, looking pretty damn sexy. The combination of the black here and then the black on our NF10s. I like. Sexy. Now it wouldn't be complete without carbon fiber mirror caps, these little triangles, just to sort of give us that complete look. The side skirts as well in visible exposed carbon fiber. This little bit over here, just to make it look different from the standard one. The air vent is still standard size, but then this fin over here has been extended ever so slightly. Now right behind the roof, we've got this lovely carbon fiber spoiler that runs almost flush with the roof, but when you look at it from the other side, well, that's actually where a lot of the hot air from the engine gets sort of captured and then distributed towards the rear of the car. Speaking of hot air in this car, because it's hybrid technology with that 4-litre twin turbocharged V8 of Ferrari. That's sitting right here behind the spine of driver and co, and of course covered in a lovely array of carbon fiber as well. And the outskirts here of your engine, that sort of cover area is also, that's in carbon fiber with the holes for the hot air to come out. And then the inside, the engine cover over there, and well as the whole engine bay, that's all been done in carbon fiber. You've got a massive, massive ducktail here at the rear, that part being an active aero, so pops up to help you stop when you drive into the wall. And then the rear of it with the brake light built in is all in carbon fiber. The rear diffuser, carbon fiber, these massive fins here at the bottom, just protruding down there to give you good, proper stability at high speeds. And our Novitec Sport exhaust system, of course, well known with the carbon fiber tips. As a really, really lovely example of the SF90, I find it particularly exciting because of the color scheme. It's always lovely to see these cars in different varieties of colors just because it gets a new sort of a personality. Now, let's talk about the engine because this is one of the fastest supercars out there on the road at the moment. 0 to 100 in 2.5 seconds. That's in standard form. It's a crazy confabulation of combustion and electric motors, 3 electric motors, 1 on each front wheel, another one that assists the engine, and the power has been sent, all over. Each wheel does its job to try and catapult you forward. If you want to see the driving impression of that, then go and check out our channel. You could also subscribe to our YouTube channel if you like. 20 years ago, you would never have thought that anybody with a driver's license can just buy one of these, obviously if you have enough money, but it's just now a proper road going car, and it's a very drivable vehicle that you can drive in full electric mode if you want, in the e-drive, or you can drive it in hybrid, and then when, you know, your electric horses run out of energy, then the combustion will come and help you out, which is so nice of it, don't you think? And we always talk about the customization of the exterior of your supercar, but you just as well can come to us and ask to have your interior modified. This is a beautiful, beautiful red color that I think is very befitting to the sort of red and racy feel that a Ferrari SF90 give you. I think it looks really sick, these sort of carbon fiber bucket seats, then just with that sort of red Alcantara and leather, it looks really lovely. These very high class, sophisticated seat covers. Okay, Josh, head towards the back and be ready for the love. I mean, she's still cold. And there's a rev limiter. Anyways, if you guys want to see this car in action, what it sounds like, what it feels like when we drive it, the driving experience, you can hop in on the passenger seat next to me. Thank you so much. Guys, it's been absolutely fabulous. Thank you so much for joining us in this video. If you haven't yet, as we said, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and just also hop over to Instagram, me personally at Beyond the Cook, or then of course Novitec as well. We are now officially also on TikTok. You could assist me with getting a couple more followers on there. It's Beyond the Cook on TikTok, and then the official Novitec there as well. Until next time, you guys keep safe, and I'll see you in the next film. Adios.